Say hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Vlogmas #1.
Help me!
Question, what is Vlogmas?
Vlogmas. So we're going to be vlogging in December, okay? Fun, fun. So today we are getting ready to go get a little bit more decor.
A baby wipe!
Someone needs a baby wipe. We started decorating last night and we need a few more
A baby
things.
wipe! Isaac!
Plus we need to get some ornaments.
Might look like a mess, but I know where stuff is.
Good. So we had to change the kids' seat arrangements around. Some are not very happy with where they're sitting, but it'll just have to do for now. Maybe one day we'll get a big old passenger van, huh? So everybody has space. We'll upgrade to the large family big bus instead of riding around in the little minivan. So we're gonna go get some stuff. The kids have Christmas trees. I need to give somebody a baby wipe. The kids have their Christmas trees put up. So we're gonna attempt, can you hand that to Isaac? We're gonna attempt Vlogmas. I'm not really promising anything because I've never done anything like this before, and I do have a plan. This video, So, plans for Vlogmas. I'm planning to post Monday through Friday. This first video is gonna go up on Sunday. It won't be all vlogs. I've got some sit-down videos planned and stuff like that. I'll give you a baby wipe in just a minute. You don't need to clean the window with that. It'll streak it. No baby wipes on the window.
Ava's doing it.
Ava, don't do that. So, yeah. We'll see what happens. We'll take you along today to get our Christmas decor. And when we get back home, I'll show you what we've already put up. What did y'all think about that Walmart trip?
It was a bust. I didn't have squat.
Should have known coming after Black Friday there wouldn't be a whole lot left. So it was pretty picked over. Luke wanted this really pretty cathedral Christmas village thing, and they didn't really have any left. So maybe I can order it. I don't know. Didn't really get the decor for the tree that I wanted, but I got some that was close enough. I'll show you guys what we got for our decor when we get home. Alright, so we just got home and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what we got. So we got these reindeer. They're super cute. And then a sister ornament. That's for the girls' Christmas tree. You going to show us the sign? Yeah. We got this sign. I thought that was cute. Some Christmas cards. Turn them over. Say Happy Holidays with a cute red barn. They didn't have the tree skirt that I wanted, but this one was close enough. So we got this plaid tree skirt that says Home for the Holidays. And much needed ornament hooks, right? Couple of ornaments for me to put in my tray. Uh-oh, the ornament hooks came out. Okay. They were totally wiped out of garland, so uh-oh. This is the garland I ended up with. These are garland ornaments. Okay, hang on. We're doing red, white, and silver on our tree, so I got a big thing of those ornaments. Hang on. And then some more of that red and black buffalo check.
What's the B for?
Well, that's not really quite buffalo check, but it's the same color.
Some more hooks.
Some more hooks, yep. That's another thing of garland, right?
And another thing of flowers.
Our stuff's falling down. Yeah. Okay, and then the sign. We're gonna put that in the kitchen. Fresh cut trees. And then I got just some arrangements for our vases. All right, so it's the end of the day. Before I end this vlog, because I know it's gonna be super short, I've been working most of the afternoon, working on some different blog projects that will be coming out really soon, as well as working on my free printable calendars that I make. They're really pretty colorful designs. A lot of people really like them. The calendar at a glance is ready, 2020 calendar at a glance. I'm working on the monthly calendars. They're not ready yet. I'm having some trouble getting those finished. Someone's supposed to be putting shoes up. The kids are all doing chores right now, so I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek at the decor we have up. I do not have decor for my kitchen yet, nor do I have decor for the kids' bathrooms. I ended up using some Kohl's Cash to get some decor for the kids' bathroom. It's going to be super cute. Not 100% sure what I'm going to do in my kitchen just yet, or if I'm even going to try to do anything. We'll have to see. And we don't have our tree yet because we do a real tree, and it's probably going to be a little over a week, maybe 2 weeks before we get our actual tree because we have some other stuff going on. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I do have so far. Okay, so this is my little entryway. I've got my snowman thingy here. Sorry if you can't hear me. And then I have my tray with some scented pine cones, a little owl, and then a very Merry Christmas ornament, and this bottle bush tree. I've got my nativity and my angels, and then the kids keep getting that reindeer off, and then that's just some decor we've had for years. So I just put that down there. Okay, so over here we have our shepherd. He's going to start hiding soon. And then our little Christmas village. I guess I should turn it on, but I have not turned it on yet. And then I have some greenery here in this picture. I'm in the process of washing my chair covers. This is my basket. I've got my advent calendar. I'm going to talk about this probably in the next video that you see. I've got to finish making it. Some more, a little bit of greenery and a decorative wine bottle. Here's our mantle. So, my reindeer. They're kind of camouflaged in there. And then a little sign I got last year. Okay, so that is it for the decor for right now. It's not finalized by any means. We will continue to work on that in the next week or so. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of Vlogmas, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.